Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner, and this is Vlogmas 2019, and also this is week 4 in a Christmas holiday mix collaboration hosted by Breeze Project Book, myself, Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, and Wani of Wani's House. Now, Bree pulled all of us together along with the dream team to participate each week, and in this week we are decking the halls, and we are to show how we decorated a room that's not a living room or a kitchen area. So I decided to share with you guys how I decorate my master bedroom for the holiday season. And so now we're just putting on fresh linens and a fresh new comforter. So you have to start off by getting your foundation set. So we'll do this part and then we will get to decorating. Okay, so now that we have the bed all made up, it is time to add on the pillows. I really love adding lots and lots of decorative pillows. I think it makes for a more comfortable and inviting space, and they look absolutely gorgeous. So you can layer on as many pillows as you like. I tend to think more is more and more is better, and so that's just how I like to do it. But you can put as many or as few pillows as you like. It's totally up to you. And for the festive touch, I'm adding in this holiday pillow that says Noel with little reindeer there, and the letters are in this sparkly sequence that is absolutely gorgeous. So as you guys can see, up until this point, everything was very neutral and could be any time of the year, but the Noel pillow really brings in the festive look. Now we'll move on to another section in the bedroom, and that is my little sitting chair that I like to sit in. So we're going to add a little festive flair here also by adding a throw blanket and a Merry Christmas pillow that all coordinates with the color scheme in the master bedroom. And here I'm also adding a few more pillows to the bed at the foot of our bed, also to just pull the entire look together. And this time I'm using a blessed pillow, but it's still the same colors throughout the room. And here is a view of the bed all put together, and Addison's little toddler bed below our bed also coordinating with the master bed, and all of the decor throughout the room. And as you guys can see, I'm using a neutral color palette of golds, creams, whites, and a little bit of chocolate brown. Now I'll just pan around the room so you guys can see each space and all of the festive details I've added, like this Noel sign and these beautiful cone Christmas trees, again in the same color scheme of golds and creams and whites. I think these items really add a festive touch to my vanity table here. And now we will get a glimpse of the Christmas tree that's there in the corner. Again, in the same color scheme. I really love how everything just kind of flows nicely together. And here's a closer view of the bedside tables and the little signs there that we have that says "Oh Holy Night." They look like gift tags, so I thought those were really super cute. And also I'm panning above so you guys can see the flowers that I put above our bed. Those are from eFavormart. Be sure to check the description box down below for more details on those. And again, just another aerial view of the master bed. And I just really love how everything looks. And here's a view of the other bedside table with the same decorative ornament as the other side. And now we're going to just pan back around the room towards the Christmas tree so you can get another view of the tree looking towards the windows. And we will go in for a closer look at the Christmas tree. Now, guys, forgive the lighting because we're facing the sun, but as we get closer to the windows, you can see that we have a better view of the tree, and it is not lit right now. I will be sure to bring you guys back to see how the room looks at nighttime when the tree is lit, because it is absolutely gorgeous. But this is a view of the daytime look of the tree, and I think it's so very pretty. It's giving me like kind of like a glam woodlands vibe, because I like the wood glitter picks that's throughout the tree, but also these bling gold and champagne colored poinsettias are just everything, guys. They are so pretty. And here's a nighttime view of the master bedroom. I wanted to show you guys a nighttime view because when I was filming this morning, the sun was coming in through the windows, which made the view a little darker than I wanted. So I wanted to just make sure that I showed you guys how everything looks at night, and you can also see the Christmas tree lit up. So this is the room. I'm just kind of panning around for you guys to get an aerial view. And I must say, I am really loving these flowers that I have on here on my wall as wall art above my bed. And those are from eFavormart. If you guys are interested, I will have the link in the description box down below for you guys to check those out. They are very reasonably priced, and you can see they look very pretty. They're very large in size, and I just love it. And this is Addison's bed. He added a couple more pillows that I had on there from earlier this morning, but I thought that's fine. Those are cute as well. And this is my chair here where I usually sit. It says Merry Christmas on the pillow. And over here on my little vanity table, you guys can really see the Christmas trees very well now. You can see how they have little snow tops and how bling and gorgeous they are. Just so very pretty. And my Noel sign, bling Noel sign that I've had for a couple of years. And I'll pan around here for you guys to see the Christmas tree. I'll move in a bit closer. I think it looks so very pretty and festive, and it goes with the colors in here. So the colors are gold, kind of a champagne color, and creams, and rose gold. These little rose gold angel wings from the dollar store. And yeah, I think it's very pretty. And on our dresser, I have the ornament garland that Addison and I made as a DIY project for $5 from the Dollar Tree, or from the dollar store rather, not necessarily the Dollar Tree, but from the dollar store. Those ornaments are from more than just the Dollar Trees, other dollar stores as well. So, and I have our cone trees there. So yes, everything looks very well coordinated and just very pretty. This is a great idea on how you guys can decorate your master bedroom or even your guest bedroom for the Christmas holiday season. And because Addison does still share a room with us, which when he, on his next birthday, we have already started telling him now that he will be moving upstairs to his room. But for now, he's still here, so I always like to coordinate his bed with our bed so that it will match. And I think it just looks really, really pretty. This is one of my favorite comforters. It's from Burlington's from a few years ago, but I just love the design on it, and it's actually threaded so you can feel it. So it's very, very, very pretty. And of course, so then this is the inspiration for the colors in our bedroom. But I like to have a soft, muted palette in the master bedroom. I think it's just very soothing and relaxing. So that is our holiday space for 2019. Okay guys, I hope that you all have enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy you stopped by. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell. Now guys, we have had a blast participating in the Christmas holiday mix. This is a list of each video that went up throughout the month of December. I will have them linked in the iCards above if you missed them. Let me say a huge thank you so much to my sister Bree from Bree's Project Book for pulling all of us together to participate in this collaboration, along with my co-host Kimberly Davis with Diva Designing on a Dime, and Wani of Wani's House, and of course the Dream Team. We want to say a huge thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.